heard of an ICO? Here's what that means. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering. It's sort of like an initial public offering, only instead of selling shares in a company, startups are using ICOs to sell crypto coins in exchange for cash. Essentially, a company will create its own digital token and sell it to investors. Investors can then either keep the new tokens or trade them for others. Take Storage.io. It's a startup working on a decentralized cloud-based storage platform. To raise funds for its product development, Storage created its own digital token called a Storage Coin. Storage held an ICO, and investors bought $30 million worth of Storage coins. Investors then had two options for how to spend that coin. One, trade them for more popular digital tokens like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or two, use them on Storage's storage platform once it's up and running. And while ICOs are similar to IPOs, there are some fundamental differences between the two. ICO investors don't typically hold a stake in the company raising funds. And unlike IPOs, ICOs are fairly unregulated by governments, but that's starting to change. Some national regulators are cracking down on cryptocurrency markets in their countries. On September 4th, China's central bank made all fundraising through ICOs illegal. And on September 29th, South Korea enacted a similar ban on all new cryptocurrency sales. While regulations in the US haven't been as clear-cut, the SEC weighed in on the subject back in July. They said that capital raising through blockchain requires compliance with federal securities laws. And there's been a number of crypto skeptics in the US doubting more than just digital fundraising. Well-known investors like Warren Buffett and Howard Marks have expressed their skepticism about the future of cryptocurrencies, calling it a mirage and a fad. In September, JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon called Bitcoin a fraud.
Okay, you can't have a business where people can invent a currency out of thin air and think the people who are buying it are really smart. It's worse than tulip bulbs. Okay, it won't end well. It'll eventually blow up. It's a fraud.
But some would argue that crypto skeptics like Dimon stand to lose from Bitcoin's rise. The CEO of digital currency exchange Shapeshift says that Jamie Dimon has every interest in the world in disparaging Bitcoin and working with his friends in government to regulate and suffocate it. But comments from industry leaders aren't the only ones the crypto community is concerned about. Celebrities have increasingly been promoting ICOs, which is drawing a lot of unwanted attention. Actor Jamie Foxx recently tweeted about an ICO he was participating in. He said, looking forward to participating in the new Robinhood token, zero-fee trading. And as one early Bitcoin investor puts it, Fox's tweet is a good indication of peak ICO. The more attention that gets drawn to the ICO, the more likely it is that a regulatory crackdown may be ahead. While it remains to be seen how regulators will tackle the crypto market going forward, one thing is for sure, this billion-dollar market isn't going away anytime soon.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.